All right, I'm a little bummed today. My dream ride got smashed a few nights back. A tree fell on it. It's a 73 Winnebago Brave D18. It's just a little shorty, 18-foot one that I plan on slamming on the ground, putting hydraulics on it, of course. You know, I want to make it three-wheel and all kinds of stupid stuff. So, but you know, I don't think I can fix that. I mean, it could be fixed, but kind of wanted to keep the old patina look. And you know, if I fix that, I'm gonna have to paint it, and I don't want to paint a Winnebago. That's for damn sure. But well, I guess we'll just see what happens. Try to find another one. Yes, I am excited. Got me another 73 Winnebago Brave D18. I had one for a few years now. We rebuilt the roof and everything on it. It's been sitting out back because I just wasn't motivated to get the suspension done, and a tree fell on it and demolished it. So last Sunday this thing popped up and I'm on it this time. Needs a roof, but the rest of it is so much better than my last one. It's just pretty incredible. The body is perfect on it. The paint's perfect on it. Exactly what I want. So we're putting hydraulics under this thing, slamming it on the ground until the body line is touching the ground, and it's gonna three-wheel. It's just ridiculous. My dream car. Come check it out. Got all the luxuries in here. You got a sink, cabinets, stove, microwave, refrigerator, get your big screen TV set up over here. We got bed up in here, more cabinet space, even has the air conditioning up in the roof, but this roof needs replaced. But I'm an expert on that already. So this one actually has the optional double wide passenger seat, which is just too damn cool. These armrests fold down. Yeah, that's kind of neat the way they work, but I mean,
it's almost like that could be a little bed.
You got a little kid, want to sleep under there, want to sleep there. This makes a bed. The sofa makes a bed, the dinette makes a bed. I'm gonna take it all out. I don't think I'm using any of this interior because I had plans for the other one already with like a steampunk look inside. But for right now, I'm focusing on the suspension because that way I'll get it. Once the suspension's working, I'll be driving it. It runs perfect. This thing has 25,000 miles on it. 318 under there. Pretty amazing. Actually, it came with a tow bar. And I towed this thing home with my 1500 pickup truck. 3 hours, middle of the night, but whatever. I was excited, right? Yeah, we gotta go behind that closet right there. You'll see the bathroom. Got a shower.
Oh yeah. Well, you got a little bit of work to do.
Just tad.
But
I'm motivated.
just like your old one, like you said, you've got some experience doing the roof.
Yeah. This is gonna be all aluminum. I did the last one out of wood, which was a nightmare. I learned my lesson.
Yeah, I did the last one I did aluminum, and it was actually fairly easy. if you have two people, because you gotta monkey it in place and with those sealers.
I'm glad you've done one.
Yeah,
aluminum.
We'll be. I'll help.
Good deal. Yeah.
I think you could sit on this thing.
It's bolted through the wall.
Crazy.
It is so awesome. Put a battery in it and gas, and it ran.
All right, Lewis, get to work.
Okay.
I'm not getting dirty.
You caught me slacking on my phone.
I'm not getting dirty on this one.
I gotta send pictures of the tire stuff up in there to everybody I know ever.
We got about another foot more of that.
Yeah. That's the thing around here. It happens in real time. If it happens, it's on Instagram because either Lewis or Ryan is posting it. So when you see it, it's actually just happened. Can't get them to hold back on nothing.
Get too excited.
Sorry, this is my dream car, man. We need to make some room up there.
I was thinking about a name, and I was thinking you should call it the Winnebago.
That works.
Want a bango?
Push it forward.
Hold it still because it's gonna want to push the jack sideways. Here you go.
Okay.
Jack it up if you want to hold it. A little bit further forward.
Okay. All right. It's touching the top.
Touching already?
That's the floor, yeah. But you see how much space we got left there? The pedestals under the seat are way more than that.
Another foot worth of tubs, it'll be alright.
The biggest tubs we ever made. It already
Does
looks
look cool already.
It already looks dope. I gotta get it on the road so I can break it in.
How many miles?
25,000 miles. It's like new. Gotta cut a hole up here for the tire to go up another foot or so. Hopefully the way it looks like with the pedestals that are under the seat, I won't have to raise the seat up. If anything, it won't be raised up a lot. So it'll still be nice and comfy. But this thing had a straight axle under it, and with the straight axle there was only maybe 4 inches between the bottom, top of the axle and the oil pan. So to lower it with a straight axle, you're only going to get a couple inches out of it that you can actually safely use. So what we're doing is, I got, for the other one, I had got these parts off of a Dodge Winnebago, not a Winnebago, just another RV, but the Class C type, the van type, and it had A-arms in it. So, but it's like dually parts. So we're gonna try to modify it or make A-arms. We're just gonna use what we have now and mock up stuff to figure out the lengths, because I need them to be equal length so that it can go up and down without the camber changing much on the wheel. So we need 2 equal length A-arms, which it's not what it has now with those parts, but the spindle will work, and the ball joint design and all that stuff's gonna work, and the brakes and all that will be all heavy duty dually stuff. So what we're gonna do today is we're trying to mock up those arms into here where it can be as long as possible, so that they can, the longer they are, the less movement in and out you're gonna have, and the more travel we'll get without the ball joints binding. So the bottom is obviously super easy to make long, but you can't make it that long if you can't make the top one that long, and being it's an 8-cylinder, it gets wider at the top than the bottom. So that's what we're trying to do now, figure out where it needs to be.
Oh, the carpet's so nice under the pedestal.
I think
Got that authentic puke color to it.
I'm gonna get it all shampooed.
Food as in
Exactly.
So what you're saying is we're gonna have to preserve this carpet when we cut the tubs out.
Get the skill saw in here.
So we can't torch the tubs out.
Move our temporary gas tank. Yeah, no point in like trying to taking the love seat out.
Where's the steps? Where's the steps? There we go.
Put this in the office or something.
Put this in my house later. What you talking?
That's the coolest seat. Yeah, this is like, if you look on there, the Winnebago, like the brochures from back in '73. This is on their option list. This seat. I've never seen even anybody have a picture of one, but missing a headrest. But I'm hoping the Winnebago Outback, it should have the headrest. So all those are the same. So I'm going to take the headrest off of there, and that's going back in because it's just too cool.
Gas tank removal 101.
Success. Big sucks of gas. Got these sweet mats in it. Like, look at the carpet up front. She's like, new.
It's no shag, but it'll work.
That was the jam back in the day.
Those plastic runners were the jam.
Is that true? Yeah.
Remember stepping on those when they're upside down in your house?
Oh,
Barefoot?
yeah. That's right. It's got the pointy things.
They hurt.
Checked out.
OSHA certified.
OSHA certified. Yeah. Should be okay in the water.
Rain safe.
All insulated and stuff.
Alright, where's the holes? He said he marked them. Here? And here. I see it.
And there's the front ones have large X's on them.
I see it, yeah. That's gonna be rough, like you said. We ain't gonna lose our leg room.
Let's cut it 6 inches shy of those front holes and let's see where the tire goes.
Yeah. That's what we'll do.
It's gonna be like sitting in row 18 on the school bus when you got screwed because the
The wheels up and away.
It sounds like somebody counted every day.
I'm gonna cut that back just because I want to leave as much front area as possible for the flat floor. Put your feet. Floor space as possible, but it definitely looks like it's got to go up to that that line up in the front there.
So those, you're gonna have to mount your pedals up and sit in it like an F1 car.
That's fine. Look, the seats swivel, so I can just turn it on an angle.
Hey, put your pedals over here by the firewall.
Hell, I don't think we'll even be into the pedals if you look at where that is.
Hopefully.
You just need enough room for one foot there, because your other foot's on the other side of the column.
real wide.
Just put the gas pedal on the left side.
Oh man. I think we're close. Is it hidden in there? Are you holding it?
Yeah, you got room.
You holding the tire?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What are you talking about? I think we've done
I
it.
think you got it. Got room to spare.
It goes up high enough now.
Yeah, that's. Goes up high enough.
Yeah. I mean, it ain't far. It's like what, an inch? How does? I mean, where's that to that though?
I think you got about an inch or so.
Grab another straight edge. Yeah. No, I think it's where it needs to be. Good God! That's a low. That's more than I thought it was gonna be.
That's proper.
We'll Lambo that door too. Lambo both of them. Alright, today's as far as we got the wheel in. This rain is killing us. We're not gonna be able to get as far as we wanted to. Want to get the control arms in next and measure this out, lay it all out to see what we got. But come on now. That is sick. Very excited about this. It ain't gonna take much more and see where it goes from there, I guess.
Good job.